Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset Services.msc console in Windows 10 PC. If you have if you are having trouble with your Windows Services console and need to reset it, you are in the right place. It is an easy fix that can help resolve many common issues. For example, you have made several changes in services.msc and want to reset it back. There are two methods to reset services.msc console on Windows 10. So let me begin without any delay. First one method is through services.msc panel. Just press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open Run dialog box. Here type services.msc. After that click on this one OK button. Now click on this one file in the menu and then options. Here click on this one delete files. This will permanently delete services cache. Just click on this one delete files button. Press again confirm. This one OK button. In case it does not work for you, that means services panel is not opening completely. Just again press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, and here in the run dialog box you need to type this one percentage appdata percentage slash Microsoft slash MMC. I will put this one path in this one video description. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. Here you will find services file. Just select and delete it. In case you have made several changes, you will find it here. In case you don't find it here, that means you have not changed any services. For instance, I will show you after changing a service. I will change one service like this. I will make it manual. After that you can see a file here. Just select this one file, whatever you are getting here. You will get here services and file type file. Just select it, right click on it and delete it. After that services panel will be restored to its default. I had made changes at this one service. After again when you will open this one services panel, it will and you will change make changes in any services, it will start. It will again create a file in the previous path. Here you will find whatever changes will be done, it will be stored in this one services file. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.